So I grew these gourds. Let's do it. Yeah, so I grew these a while back. They're all dried out now. I'm gonna put a fairly small hole, I guess. I don't know what kind of bird will get in there, but we're gonna try it. Done. Just like that. More seeds. Nice and soft. I'm gonna put an even smaller hole in this one. Tiny holes here to drain water in case it rains. I hung up one of the gourds right there underneath my shed, and I hung up one in this tree right there. I'm gonna reposition that one. Let's see if some birds make these gourds their home. Look at all these seeds. Now I can grow more gourds.